Dear John Deere, John Deere, John Deere! On the hustle and grind tonight, and I just wanted to share some news. Does anybody know what Rich Rich is? Bring the clip back. What?
Just a little 10 piece. Just to blow it in the mall doesn't mean that we involved. I just what?
It's what?
Richard on the card. I ain't going playing ball, but I'll show you how the fuck you gotta do it. If you really want to ball till you fall when you're back against the wall, and a bunch of niggas need you to go away. Still going bad on them anyway. Saw you last night, but didn't.
Road day! Road day! Rich Rich. Alright. So what do I want to share with everybody tonight? I want to share with y'all this. Taco Bell brought the Nacho fries back. Crack. Oh yeah. And not only did they bring the Nacho fries back, but they have a Nacho Fry Supreme on the menu. Crack, crack. So, yeah. What you gotta say about that? That crack, crack. My beard is just some bitch. That crack, crack. Number one on my wish list. I don't know what's taking so long either. But yeah. Dear John Deere, you got the Rich Rich Crack Crack. Oh man, go get it. Go get those fries, baby.